Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving lots of love to channel Yin Yang here. Today's reading is very beautiful. Today's energy is very beautiful, Aquarius. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. But if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, because this is not going to resonate with each of you. So take according to your situation, okay? So let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages, okay? And let's see, you can have a look on your main reading, your general reading. I have already uploaded, so this is your bonus love reading, okay? So let's see what are the messages. Let's start your reading, okay? Let's see. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius for the month of May. What are the messages? I don't read reversals and gender is not specific here, so take gender according to your situation. Okay, so let's start. Let's see what are the messages. Please give me the messages for Aquarius. Money, find a way to abundance. Dragonfly, live life to the fullest. So right now you have to focus on your money. Maybe there is a money opportunities which are coming for you, Aquarius, in the month of May, okay? And there is dragonfly here, and 1 minute. Okay, I was unable to find my box, okay? And there is choices, make the best choices here. So right now you have to make some kind of decisions in your life, and if you have to make some kind of choices, so the angels, the divine, the universe is saying you that you have to make the best choices for you, Aquarius. There is dragonfly, live your life to the fullest, okay? Live your life to the fullest. Okay, so live your life to the fullest, okay? Dragonfly is here, and there is money, find a way to abundance, and there is choices, make the best choices, okay? Whatever choice you make in your life, make the best choice. So beautiful. Let's see what are the messages here from this deck. Proposal and celebration, okay? Many of you are going to get a marriage proposal from your divine counterpart. There is a lot of celebration which is coming for you in the month of May. You have to use your intuitions, Aquarius. Okay, what are the messages for Aquarius May 2021? Please give me the messages. Beautiful. Beautiful. What is the message? What is the message? See, again, bottom of the deck, I'm having celebrations and proposals again. So some kind of celebration and proposal is coming for you, Aquarius, here, okay? A proposal is indicated. Either it will be a business opportunity or it will be a romantic opportunity, but some kind of proposal which is coming for you. There is beware, you have to be careful who you trust at this time, okay? So trust is here. Beware of who you trust at this time here. There is star, hard times are over, look forward to abundance of happiness, enthusiasm, and positivity. Beautiful. New hopes, new desires are coming for you, Aquarius. There is judgment, soul searching will bring inner peace to many areas of your life. Some kind of judgment either you are making for your life, or the divine is making for you, okay? There is chariot, charge ahead with confidence, stay strong and focused. So this was your overall energy. In your general reading also there was a chariot and the emperor energy. Okay, in today's energy was chariot and the emperor. So you are moving in a forward direction, Aquarius. You know what is right, what is wrong, what is black, what is white. You know everything, and you are moving in a forward direction. So move in a forward direction. There is snake. Your intuition and healing powers will guide you to a better path, but be careful. Okay, so this is beautiful. Your intuition will guide you here, Aquarius. There is a plane, a journey is indicated either physically or metaphorically. Okay, so your life will become more full. So either you're going to travel somewhere, okay, and if you're not traveling, then that means that a new chapter of your life is coming here. A new chapter is going to start in your life. Beautiful. There is sun, and this is the happiest card in the tarot deck. New happy beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. Open your heart to enormous growth which is coming for you, which is ahead. So new happy beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius, in your love life, in your career. Sun is coming for you. This is beautiful. Let's see what are the messages from the Osho 010. There is someone, see the Fool card. You're taking the leap of faith, or someone is going to take a leap of faith with someone with whom you are having past lives. Okay, with whom you have spent many past lives together here. Okay, this is beautiful. You're going to take a leap of faith with whom you have a soul connection with. So this is beautiful. Let's see what are the messages. What are the messages for Aquarius for the May? What are the messages for Aquarius May 2021? So going to read the rewards, okay? Some reward is coming for you, Aquarius, okay? What are the messages? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius for this reading. No, this is not the card. Okay. What are the messages? Okay. Any other message? Too many cards. No. What are the messages? Any other message for Aquarius? My too many. Any other message? Okay. So there is a possibility who is wearing a false mask around yourself, Aquarius. There is someone who is playing a politics. Okay, so be aware of this energy here. Okay, you are the innocent one here, and you will find a breakthrough. Whatever you are going through in your life, you will find the breakthrough from from that. Okay, you are right now fighting a lot with your mind thoughts. I can say that mind thoughts was there here. You are thinking a lot here. Okay, you are overthinking a lot. I can say you are trapped in your own mind thoughts. Okay, and because you are fighting you're thinking a lot, maybe you're feeling like a laziness. Okay, you're feeling lazy, you're not doing anything, and you're thinking that you have to compromise. Okay, and every time you have to compromise, but don't worry at all. Why I'm saying that, you are doing a lot here. Can you see? Isolation and synchrophasia is here. So you are trying so hard to get out of this zone, and you will get out of this zone. Maybe right now you are feeling you have isolate yourself from the world, and you are feeling like crying, and you're feeling like a crying. Then cry, Aquarius, because crying is always good. but trust that there is a divine plan. Trust that the universe is with you. Okay, you are not alone in your consciousness. You 0707 was the recording reading time. In your consciousness, you already trust the divine. In your consciousness, you know that there is a divine plan. Everything is happening according to the divine. So beautiful. Harmony is coming for you, Aquarius. Keep your courage with you. Have patience, have your courage with you. The harmony is coming for you because you are the source, you are the creator of your life. Okay, you are the source, you are the creator of your life. Whatever you think, whatever you, that will manifest in your life. Okay, so you are the source, you are the creator of your life. There is inner voice, totality and creativity. So you are using you, and if you're not using, you have to use your inner voice here, Aquarius. Use your intuition, listen to your inner voice and work on your creativity. Okay, things will be better. You have to use your intuitions, you have to listen to your inner voice, and you have to work on your creativity. There is new vision which is coming for you. There is a new vision, you will find a new vision here. There's a lot of healing which is coming for you. Okay, there will be a lot of intensity which is coming for you. You are going to reap the rewards, the ripeness, and there is sharing. So because you're sharing your knowledge, sharing your wisdom with the world. Okay, so beautiful things are coming here. You're completing a cycle, the completion is here. So you're completing a karmic cycle here, you're closing out a cycle, and there is a beginning of a new cycle. This is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's add one or two messages from the fairies. What are the messages? What is the message? Okay, see, journey is here again. So you are going to travel somewhere, Aquarius. Okay, that is for sure. A journey is indicated here. 0906 is the recording reading time. A journey is indicated here. So get your passports ready. Okay, it's time to prepare for a journey. It may be impromptu or planned. Either way, make sure you are ready when the time comes. Pack your passports now. So beautiful. Our journey is indicated here. There is shine from within. Looks are only skin deep. True beauty shines from within, and it's time for you to shine. This is a time for self-acceptance and for relieving your true beauty. So you need to shine from within yourself here, Aquarius. And there is look in a book. Whatever your question right now, you will find the answers in a book. The words you will find will bring the insight you seek. So the answers, whatever questions you are finding out, you will find the answers in the book. Okay, maybe by watching the tarot card reading or something like that, or you have to get the answers by the book. Look in the book is here. So these are the messages from the fairies. Thank you, fairies, for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from the energy oracle deck. What are the messages? Please give me the messages for Aquarius. What are the message for Aquarius? There is someone around you who is feeling envy here with you, who is feeling jealous with you here. There is first chakra, Archangel Michael. So that means this is getting activated for you. Your stability, your security, your abundance is coming for you, Aquarius. What are the messages? Your third eye is getting activated, Archangel Metron, 6th chakra. Your 6th chakra, your first chakra is getting activated here. Okay, your root chakra and your third eye chakra is getting activated here. So beautiful. What are the messages for Aquarius? There is a strategy here. There is storm warning. Okay, and there is anxiety here. So you're feeling anxiety here, Aquarius, because you are at the crossroads and you have to make a decision here, but you are unable to take a decision, and because of that you're feeling a lot of anxiety here. But don't worry, there is a storm warning and a strategy here which is written. This is happening according to the divine. Okay, the balance will become in your life here. Okay, things will be balanced, and the balance is coming because angel of balance is here. This is beautiful. 5th chakra, Archangel Gabriel. Your third chakra is getting activated. Okay, your third chakra is getting activated, and now you can communicate clearly and you can say your things. to others. There is cornucopia, and this is beautiful card in this deck. This is abundance of everything. This is 10 of Pentacles energy. This is abundance of love, abundance of money, abundance of prosperity. Lot of abundance is coming for you, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck, I'm having caring connection. So lot of beautiful things are coming for you. Yes, community is working with you, Aquarius. Here community is working with you. Maybe you have to make some kind of adjacent possibilities. Door to spirit is opening up for you here. Any other message for Aquarius? See, hostilities and envy is here. So someone is here who is not happy, okay, who's feeling jealous with you. The World card here again. But you have to keep your strength. Angel of Strength is here, okay, because you are closing out a cycle, you're ending a cycle here, you're completing a cycle, completion, the World. You're closing out a cycle and you're starting a new cycle here. So you are closing out a cycle. The World card is here. Let me see more. I don't know why. Any other message? Yeah, right now you're feeling restricted, stuck, but you will take actions. All tied up. You're feeling restricted, stuck, all tied up. You can't move in a forward direction, but don't worry. You will take actions, okay? You will take action, and you towards your happy family, happy life, that is coming towards you. Because can you see, bottom of the deck, I'm having thinking man and thinking woman both. So you are going to get, you know, reunited, reconciliation with your divine counterpart. This is both a power couple, I can say that, okay? So yes, because you both are thinking to approach each other or communicate with each other. But so yes, the actions will be going to take towards happy family, happy life. 4 of Wands energy, 10 of Cups energy, I can say that. Happy family, happy life, marriage. So a lot of beautiful things are coming for you. So let's see. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from Crazy Sexy Love Notes. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages for Aquarius? Okay, see, again the same messages. Be mindful with your money, honey. Are you spending above your means, avoiding the reality of your bank account, shopping to numb any negative feeling or pain? It may be time to clean up your relationship with money. Let go of the fear and shame around your finances and take responsibility of your future today. Any unwise decisions you have made in the past are behind you. Seek guidance where you need and keep the big picture of your financial well-being in mind. Remember, money saved is money earned. Okay, so you have to be careful with your money spending and all. There is make waves. It's your time to make a splash and rock a few cracky boats. Don't be afraid to get wet. You may fail, or you may look foolish, or you may make people think in a new way. Every great trailblazer and change maker made waves, so you are no different. So beautiful messages, I love it. Let's see what are the messages from Grace cards. Thank you for giving the messages. What are the messages for Aquarius? Soul. Practice good soul care. The quality of our outer life is always dependent on the quality of care we give to our soul. So you have to take care of your soul, Aquarius. Practice good care of your soul. So this is the message which I am getting here. This is beautiful. Let's add one message from the Super Attractor. When I am in state of appreciation, I am in vibrational alignment with my true love nature. So you are having this super attractive card. Okay, this is beautiful. Love it. Thank you. Let's see what is the message from Everyday Miracles. What is the message? Okay. The light has come. Today the time of light begins for you and everyone. It is a new era in which a new world is born. The old one has left no trace upon its passing. Today we see a different world because the light has come. Okay, Aquarius? I am sustained by the love of God. Put all faith in the love of God within you, eternal, changeless, and forever unfailing. This is the answer to whatever confronts you today. So this is beautiful messages. I love it. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's add some message from Healing Mantra deck. Yeah, so my video was paused. The memory was full of, so now I am starting your reading again. So let's see what are the messages from Healing Mantra deck. What are the messages for Aquarius, May 2021? Anchoring the light. The light is always within me. So you can use this healing mantra for yourself. There is exploring unity consciousness. I am one eternal light appearing as all. So beautiful messages, and this is the healing mantra you can use for yourself, and that will help you out in healing. So let's see what is the message from crystal spirits. Let's add one message. What is the message for Aquarius? Please give me the messages. What is the message for Aquarius, May 2021? Raw Morganite. And this is lithium quartz. Number 33 and 46. 1 minute. The brightness was low. Let me read it out. This is the sensitivity, gentleness, empathy, compassion, the gift of vulnerability, self-forgiveness. Okay, so no matter how hard the rock, over time, water can alter it, making a path where there was none before. The appearance of this crystal is a sign that this is a time for you to embrace your sensitivity and gentleness. There is no need to be forceful when you can simply be open to what you're entitled to receive. Allow yourself to be vulnerable as this crystal spirit appears in raw, unpolished form. Finding strength in knowing that you do not have to engage in battles that serves no one. You are able to handle whatever traumas are in front of you right now. Your exquisite sensitivity will serve you well, for it allows you to see things as they are. The conscious universe will be gentle with you, and the raw Morganite spirit is here to let you know that you are not alone and you have a solid foundation beneath you. So express your gifts of empathy and compassion. You are stronger than you know. Okay, so beautiful message from Raw Morganite. Aquarius, you are much stronger than you know. This is beautiful. And this is lithium quartz. This is harmoniousness, peacefulness, joyful interconnectedness. You can use these two crystals if you want to, Aquarius. Okay, becoming still calms the activity in our heads and put us back into touch with our bodies, our spirits, and the conscious universe. Lithium quartz spirits appear with a reminder to get quiet and recognize you have within all that you need. You just need to amplify some of the qualities that can bring you a sense of joy and fulfillment by giving them quiet, calm attention. Overstimulation can be distracting, so refresh yourself with time spent in or around nature or nature creatures, whether it is a furry, warm animal or a pond with a fish swimming happily. Okay, so this is beautiful message I am getting for you from the crystal spirits. Thank you, crystal spirits, for giving the messages. Let's add some message from nature spirit, and then I'm going to close out your reading. Let's see. What are the messages for Aquarius? Please give me the messages. What is the message for Aquarius, May 2021? What is the message for Aquarius, May 2021? Freedom, horse, and flowing river. What is the message? Okay. Shapeshifter. Okay. So the first message for you is freedom, horse. Okay. There is flowing river and there is shapeshifter. Now let me read it out for you from the book. This is let your spirit freedom horse. Let your spirit fly. Do not hold back. Break free and express yourself, Aquarius. Flaunt your stuff, dance, laugh, explore, and go beyond predictable behavior. Okay. Get out of the rut. You do not need to fit to the mold. Be daring. Fill your arms to the heaven. Enjoy. So be yourself. Flow. This is beautiful message. Let your spirit be free. Basically. Okay. Let me see. Flowing river. This is everything is falling into place because you are not resisting the drift of the river of the life. It's time to let go. You are entering a period of gracious ease and flow. All is unfolding perfectly and with good timing. When you are in state of flow, you are not pushing the river to go faster and you are not swimming against it. Let go of the shore and enjoy the ride. So you are just going with the flow, and that's the right thing. You are doing it, Aquarius. Just go with the flow, okay? And because you have surrendered yourself to the divine, and that's beautiful. There is shapeshifter. You can be anything you desire. Let go of the attachment to your identity. See the world around you with new eyes. Be malleable. Experiment with different ways of viewing reality. See the point of view of others. If you have not been able to manifest your dreams, maybe you need to shift the way you see the person or the situation. So this is beautiful message from the native spirits. So this was your bonus love reading for the month of May. I hope I help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love, healing, light and happiness to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching this video. Okay, take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.